Machete work. Alright? Don't play with Kevin. Kevin don't joke. Machete, cut down all of this. If he's gonna farm here, you have to cut down all these trees to get some sunlight in. You can hear the engine of the bulldozer stop. Then putting in gas oil into it. So yes, my viewers, here is where the bulldozer pulled down a couple days back. I'm down in the plantation here. The sun is not that very hot. But as you can see, right here is a nice area for farming. Stick around.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Yes, my viewers, it's a stony area. So the tractor is not going to come up here. But all here was woodland. That guy with his machete, Kevin the farmer, alright, he come here. And he make his way through here with his machete. Yeah, I'll leave my own. Let me take up my own. Yeah, security. Alright. And he go through and he cut down all these trees here. Yeah, and as you can see, he go through and he cut what he can cut. Here was wilderness, he cut it down. And as you see, there is a fence line here. When you come here the first time and look, you can't see through. But he cut his way through here. Very hard working guy, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Very hard working guy. He cut it right down. Yeah, with his machete. Yeah man. So all these big trees here now, he's gonna use his saw and cut them down out of the way. Yeah, because he's very serious with his farming. You know, Kevin is a big farmer, alright? Yeah, it is a determine you mean to say him a go farm. Down there is the pan. Yeah. So as you can see here. Alright, I'm gonna go through and show you some more space that he cut down with the machete. Yeah, very skilled guy, and his power saw and his machete. Yeah man, for real, hard working guy. If there was someone else just like him, everything would be perfect. All of this place would be farming. Yeah man, for real. All here was wilderness, and he go through and he cut through, leave all the big trees for the saw. As you can see, he leave all the big trees for the saw to cut, you know? Yeah. So I'm going to go through right ahead and show you what Kevin does with his machete. He's a serious guy. Yeah. All of here, he cut it right down to the fence. Yeah. As you can hear the silence of the bulldozer, he is putting in some gas oil into the bulldozer right now. Yeah. Alright, all here was wilderness. All up here was wilderness. Yeah. And he go through and cut it down with his machete. Leave all the big trees standing for the saw. The machete could cut them here now, but him leave it for the saw. Much easier for him to use the saw and cut them. Yeah. So as you can see, all this here, machete work. Machete work. Alright? Don't play with Kevin. Kevin don't joke when it comes to farming, alright? Machete cut down all of this. Yeah, so all these big trees, if he's gonna farm here, you have to cut down all these trees to get some sunlight in. Alright? So this is what's going on right now. As you can see over that side where the tractor clean down. Very clean, but inside here, yeah, machete work. Uses machete to cut away all these bushes. Alright, because the tractor not coming up this side. Okay, you can hear the engine of the bulldozer stop. Then putting in gas oil into it. Yeah. Yeah, man. All this here, he's gonna cut through here. Yeah. He's gonna cut through here. Yeah. So as you can see, few little piece of stick leave here. Few little trees leave here. It is 1-2 for him to just come and cut down. Yeah. This is a nice stick, you know. Cut and carry at home. Yeah, as a line stick. Me need a line stick right now. Supposed to look a line stick and carry, but you can't carry no line stick today. It's all about slingshot today. Yeah. Yeah, man, this is magic. It is all in one now. But look at this. Look at this. It's in two. That's what I'm saying. It's all about my slingshot. Stick around to see what's coming next. Yeah, man, first thing first, make sure get the skin off. Make sure get the skin off. Yeah. So yes, my viewers, here is where the bulldozer pulled down a couple days back. Cleaned down a couple days back. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, so all here was wilderness. All up here was wilderness. He got through with his machete and cut it down. You know? So all here was wilderness. As you can see, the bulldozer go and back up all those bushes. You know, make a nice fence. So right now, I'm down in the plantation here. The sun is not that very hot. But you know, yeah, it's peeping out. So this tree, I guess he was saying he's gonna cut down this tree by himself. Yeah, he's gonna cut it down, clear out this area. Yeah, as you can see, all those wango tree, all those they call them tree there again. I forgot the name of those trees. Yeah, yeah, man. I'm gonna cut them out of the earth, the soil, before farming. But as you can see, right here is a nice area for farming. Yeah, you just need to run your irrigation pipe through here. Go down the bottom there to water your plant. You know what I mean? So yes, my viewers and subscribers, I come from over the gully there. Yeah, come from over the gully there. Yeah, man. Make my way back out to the tractor, you know. Then, with my catapult stick them. Yeah, man. Nah, leave them higher. Nah, leave them. Yeah, man. I was coming from all the way up the top there. Go down over that gully there to look the guava stick. So now, it's all about go home time, you know. So my viewers and subscribers, thank you for watching. Can't stop thanking you, know. Especially my subscribers. Whole heap of love and respect to you. Thank you very much for me reaching this part in this channel, with this channel here, Jamaican Farmers Hut. Alright, so My unsubscribers, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel to see the next video coming out, alright? Peace. I'm here back with the tractor. Peace, love, and manners, my friend.